up for my pictures, using a tripod when I travel by myself. I really do it like in the most ghettoest way, like the most like, I want to say it's like the most, it's not unprofessional, but sometimes I feel like so many people just like have all these gear and like all these things, and then their pictures are like average, like, and I just don't feel like you need all that gear to get a really good photo. Like, you don't need that. I like legit 100%, I think, like 95% of my pictures on my Instagram are all through my iPhone. A lot of the videos on my YouTube channel are through my iPhone. Because I don't have, like, traveling and filming and taking pictures, it's really intense. Like, for me to like Snapchat and Insta story and take pictures and make vlogs while it's snowing and raining and windy and I can't feel my fingers and I have to have like a second to capture something, like I always just feel like the cell phone is just the most like chop, let's go. I don't want to miss this moment. I also want to enjoy it myself. So yeah, that's what I gotta say about that. Anyways, really, you don't need like anything fancy, anything crazy. You just have to get comfortable with being a weirdo and just standing by yourself, doing weird positions and having people stare at you and not care. I just don't like when people stare at me from afar. Like, it makes me feel uncomfortable. So I'm staying in an Airbnb, and the reason why I picked it is because they have this like ridiculous infinity pool at the rooftop, and I wanted like these photos. And I was like, hi, I'm gonna kick out people that are there, but then I went there and nobody was there. Let's hope people are still not there so we can still take our pictures. We might get some stares from people around because they hear a lot of construction going on, but that's okay.
So the pool mission kind of failed because there was somebody else taking pictures up there and they did not speak English. However, I still managed to get a few photos. So this was basically a failed attempt at trying to show you guys, but then I went to a different location and did a better job.
Hey you guys, so today I'm going to show you how to take your own photos. So right behind me is a really amazing, beautiful infinity pool that I can't wait to get into. So I'm going to show you guys how I set up a tripod, super easy, using my cell phone and a little remote control. Let me get the remote control. Did I bring it or is it in my room? No, it's here. Okay, so the remote control goes like, it looks like this, right? And so, make sure to always turn this off. I always forget and tend to leave it on, but so the moment you turn it on, blue light starts flashing, and so when the moment that happens, you should have your phone on Bluetooth, so it connects to Bluetooth, and then once you set up your phone with your tripod or your camera or whatever you want to use, then you can start using this, and all you do is just click. It's super easy. It is going to be a little bit trickier since I'm doing photos in the water, so I have to make sure that this doesn't get wet. But, I mean, ideally, it's super simple. Okay, you guys, so after you turn on your remote control, which is right behind, I'm holding it, you want to go to your Bluetooth, and then let it search. I kind of think it's that one. We'll find out in a minute if it connects. Yep, so that's it. It connects. That means that your remote control is working. I can't do this while filming. It's working, and you can start clicking away. Okay, you guys, so this is my setup. Seriously, I put a towel there just in case the wind might blow. My tripod has already fell in the past from the wind and broke things, so just in case my phone doesn't break or anything breaks, there's a towel at the bottom for safety. This is a tripod, and so what you're going to do is, so ideally this would be my setup, and you can just turn this according to where you want to censorize your photo, or wait, you could also do like pictures going up and down. This is where I'd like the towel safety situation, just in case, since it is brick floor. And so yeah, so this is going to be my shot. I'm going to be standing right over there. My phone's right there, and then I'm just going to grab the remote control and then take pictures of myself while in the water.
Okay, you guys, so it looks like there is a bunch of successful photos. This probably took me, I don't know, I'm gonna say like 15-20 minutes to do. I don't know, might be long for people, but I did a couple different hairs. So I did like a braid one where I stuck flowers inside. That was on one side of the pool because I wanted to see how the lighting was. I like to always do different poses just to make sure I get the right one that I actually like, because I'm super picky. I probably took around 200 pictures. So over here, this was like this side of the pool. Okay, and then I took it at the other side because there's more lighting there. Depending on what filter, what editing way you like to use, an editing gear, then it depends like what kind of lighting you like. But I just like to have a little bit of everything. So here are some more, and then here's some. There are a lot. So here's some with my hair down. These are not edited, straight out of my phone. I feel like it comes out really good. I'll show you guys the end result when it's actually done, but I think we did pretty good. Love that. Super cute. This is also a good one. Like, setting it up is not that hard, and if you're a perfectionist like me, like I always need all my Instagram photos to be really centerized and the way my vision in my brain needs it to be, the way I visually see it. And sometimes when you have other people take your pictures, it doesn't always come out exactly the way you want it. They might not hold it the right way, or might not figure out the lighting that you possibly would. Like for example, over here there's like shade and light. I would never put my camera fully in the light because it would overexpose my photos. There's just things like that I just know. It also would be too close, but you know. Anyways, so I feel like setting up your tripod, I don't know, it's like my new favorite thing. It's super easy. It shrinks down. I can carry it in my backpack. It's not that heavy at all. I bought one that wasn't heavy. I have another one at home that's like super fancy and big and ridiculous, but this one's like really cool for traveling on the go when you have to carry like the entire world on your back. Yeah, so I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. It just lets me know that you guys like my video when you guys comment and give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and then it makes me want to create more videos for you guys. So yeah, and if you guys have any video ideas that you want me to create, please feel free to write them down below. And I'll make them. Ask me any other questions that you have. I love helping people, so ask away. I'll try to do my best to answer all your questions. So have a good day. Hope you liked it.
One of the questions that I get literally asked the most since I started traveling the world by myself and becoming a travel blogger, I think it's like the #1 question. It has to be, who takes your photos?